I'm very joyous today to see all of you celebrating my birthday, as well as having the national program same day. It's a good combination we have in the month of March. It's regarded as springtime in India, Madhumas. That's what you sing, Madhumas. And as you know, 21st March is the equinox. So it sort of is a balance. And also the center of all the signs you have in the horoscope. So many centers I had to achieve. And also I was born on the Tropic of Cancer, as you are on the Tropic of Capricorn. And Ayers Rock is on Tropic of Capricorn, just in the center. So many combinations had to be worked out. So the principle of ascent is to be in the center, to be in the balance, to be in the maryadas of the center, to be in the boundaries of the center is the principle. So what happens when we do not keep to the boundaries, to the maryadas? That's why you have to keep to the boundaries. And to keep to the boundaries is difficult when you have two problems. One is the ego, another is the superego. Now, as in the West, superego is not such a problem. Ego is the problem, and it has very, very subtle implications now. I can see the complicated style of egos we have. One is a gross, like Khomeini style, which is dry, it's obvious, evident, everybody can condemn. That one is the one, either one corrects or gets completely destroyed. Then he behaves in this manner only, that he doesn't know how to hide his ego in sophistication. But the Western ego is extremely sophisticated. The language, everything is very sophisticated. Like in English language, we'll say, I'm afraid I have to slap you. I'm sorry I have to kill you. It's such a devious thing, you see. Once you said, I'm sorry, that means you have put a chocolate on top of that, isn't it? It's such a camouflage. Must understand. See, we must face as we are. We cannot be facing something else. But this is exactly what happens with sophistication, that we avoid facing ourselves. Today, though the day is of celebration, so in all humor we should understand what this stupid thing called ego is. In all humor, not in seriousness. But I don't want you to again feel guilty. So let us know that whatever are our good points are our good points, that we should not lose. Whatever are our bad points, we should correct them. This is a very balanced view towards oneself. Because we are the gain. Nobody else is going to gain. And Sahaja-yogis have to be selfish about it. We are the gainers. If we gain, the whole body gains. Whole of Sahaja-yoga gains. So this is what I am telling you about your social life, which is very important, and about your ego, about your family, your children, your household, not thinking about Melbourne ashram or Sydney ashram or Australia, but you are thinking about the whole world and the whole universe and the betterment of it. very bigger visions, higher things. It works on lower levels also. That's something good about it. But it can work on your individual levels. I pay attention to your individual problems, to your individual suggestions, to anything that you say. But the light is for the whole universe. When you are the spirit, you understand what Mother says. So try to understand your spirit. That's the best way you can work it out and you can be nice. I want all our children to grow from that height. Let them start with a better standards, from a better levels, because we started from a lower levels. We had problems. But let our children start from a higher level. First, remember, you are Sahajogis, you are my children, and I love you very much, very, very much. So please have confidence in yourself, complete confidence in yourself. All right? That's the greatest thing you can give me today as a present. May God bless.